Croatia has just taken a major step in modernizing its military forces with the delivery of the first 4 M2A2 ODS Bradley fighting vehicles to the Croatian armed forces. This delivery, which took place at the Nasic barracks, is part of a broader effort to enhance Croatia's mechanized infantry capabilities. These vehicles are being acquired as part of a $196.4 million agreement, with a significant contribution from the United States, amounting to $51.2 million. By 2026, Croatia will receive a total of 89 Bradleys, including another 4 expected by the end of January 2025. These Bradleys will be assigned to operational units, including the Sokolovi Battalion of the Guards Armored Mechanized Brigade, and will also be used for training and spare parts. The Croatian military is replacing its outdated BVP M-80 vehicles, which were developed in the 1970s. The M-80, with its limited firepower and outdated communication systems, has been outpaced by modern vehicles like the Bradley, which offers enhanced protection, firepower, and mobility. The M2A2 ODS Bradley fighting vehicles delivered to Croatia have undergone extensive refurbishments. These upgrades include overhauled drivetrains, weapon system enhancements, and advanced protection coatings. The vehicles are equipped with a 25mm M242 Bushmaster chain gun, TOW anti-tank missiles, and a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, giving them a significant edge in combat. The upgraded armor can withstand 30mm rounds and RPGs, ensuring better protection for the crew and infantry. What sets the M2A2 ODSSA model apart is its advanced situational awareness systems, including 360-degree cameras and GPS-based navigation, enhancing battlefield perception. The addition of a laser rangefinder and combat identification systems further boosts the vehicle's operational effectiveness, particularly in urban and close combat scenarios. These features have been proven in recent conflicts, including in Ukraine, where the Bradley's firepower and armor have made it a reliable force on the battlefield. This acquisition is part of Croatia's broader military modernization strategy, which includes replacing older equipment with more advanced systems. Croatia recently received French Dassault Rafale fighter jets to replace its MiG-21s, and it is also set to acquire German-made Leopard 2A8 tanks, replacing its Soviet-era M84s. In addition, Croatia is acquiring U.S. high-mobility artillery rocket systems, HIMARS, strengthening its long-range strike capabilities. The partnership between Croatia and the United States has been a key component of these modernization efforts. Since their cooperation began in 1996, it has only deepened, especially after Croatia's NATO membership in 2009. The United States has supported Croatia with various military assets, including helicopters and artillery systems, further solidifying the country's role as a key player in regional and global security initiatives. By 2026, Croatia will have a modernized, NATO-compatible fighting force, ready to tackle the challenges of modern warfare. The Bradley fighting vehicle will be at the heart of this transformation, providing Croatia's armed forces with enhanced firepower, protection, and operational flexibility. This marks the beginning of a new chapter in Croatia's defense strategy, ensuring that the country remains secure and capable in the face of evolving global threats.